Imphal West ki Hiangthang Kamakya Pemton College sa hangliba relief camp da laiba thabak sunaba amadi mahi masing tambagi thokluba singbu Imphal West ki Sub Deputy Collector SDC na beneficiary list agi kakthat khre hairi relief camp da awaba kaya mayok na duna lairiba singbu thawoi bidaba amadi refugee amagumna lainga ki official singna tawriba si tokadabani Relief camp da lairiba miyoi sing asi laibag asigi citizen ni fangfam thokpa right chap chana fangnaba governor na mityang changbiyo haina khoishaw naraba IDP sing na pukning chingsilakli Relief camp asida lairiba IDP sing na fongdorakpagi matung inna maram chadana Imphal West ki SDC na IDP ni fugamapan giming beneficiary list agi maming kakpikre kakliba sing asi mahairoi amadi camp asidagi mapan thoktuna thabak suzaba miyoi singni SDC na verification lakpa matamda thengna hodaba amadi lei hodaba IDP singni loinana tungda problem lakpa yai khanduna application iraga camp ki volunteer singda khanghan khibani adubo SDC na karigi camp asida laitabano haiba maram thibidana amadi camp ta lairiba atopa IDP singna haizaraba fawba beneficiary list agi ming karigi kakpiribano awaba kaya mayok na duna hingna bahotna jariba singda onsinduna amukhanna awaba pibagi thawong tokpiyo Manipur ki Governor na wathoga sigi matang da midyang changbiduna awaba tariba IDP singda justice fanghanbiyo haina biren na taksilakli amadi khoishaw naraba IDP singna SDC office mamangda pendaba kholaw kaya sulawki
I'm appealing to the governor of Manipur. We are Manipuris. We are Indians. We have the right. But however, our right has been deprived. Our right has been destroyed by the officials of Manipur. On my part, my daughter and my son who were employed while the investigation by the SDC is going on, they were not present. And I have appealed to him that they are out of station. Please do not cut their names. She has deleted all our names, around 49. This is an act of injustice. Please do bring justice and bring peace, and we want to go back and settle to Chorchanpur again.